Hi, what's up guys? My name is Kelechi Legere Franklin, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can be able to make 5k working from home. Yeah, it's 5,000 naira working from home. You have this for those of you who have been asking me to make a video about Owo Daily. How does Owo Daily work? What do you need to do in order for you to start earning from Owo Daily and all of that? So I'm going to make a quick review on what you need to do in order for you to start earning from Owo Daily. I'm not here to talk you. I'm not here to tell you do this and do that, and at the end of the day you will not see any result on that. But from this simple guide of what I'm going to be showing you, if you do it, I promise you you'll be able to make enough money for yourself working from home and earning every single day. All you just need to do is to follow through all the processes I'm going to be showing you on how Owo Daily works and what you need to do in order for you to start making enough money for yourself on a daily basis. So I'm going to be guiding into that right now, but before then, if you are watching this video for the first time, my name is Kelechi Legere Franklin, and in this channel what I do is to share tips and tricks on how you can be able to make money online. All you just need to do is to click on the subscribe button and the notification button as well, and do where to go to the comment section, type Owo Daily so that we'll make an algorithm and make this good video go far. All I do in this channel is to share tips, tricks on how you can make money online. Without more further ado, let's dive in and know what Owo Daily is all about. Okay guys, basically Owo Daily is a digital market platform where allow buyers and sellers to bring in their product or bring digital sell product in order for buyers and sellers to make transactions, and at the end of the day everybody earns a commission for doing a particular job or make a particular sale. Owo Daily is just like Fiverr, Upwork and all of that. So what they just basically do is to allow workers to come in, do a transaction, make a sale, do a work, and at the end of the day you earn commission on it. Just like Fiverr, you go to Fiverr and then you want to a website, you request for someone to make a website for you, and when you do that, these individuals will do this website, and at the end of the day Fiverr will pay them. Owo Daily is a small version of Fiverr here in Nigeria, and you can be able to make enough money from it when you start working with Owo Daily. Yes, all you just need to do is to follow through the step-by-step guide I'm going to show you. You'll see how you can be able to earn and make money for yourself using Owo Daily. So okay, basically Owo Daily works in three ways. We have the membership, where we have the Owo Daily Plus. We also have the sellers. So in the Owo Daily membership plan, this is where you complete a digital work and you earn bonuses or commissions when you complete a particular task. Yes, there are simple tasks in which Owo Daily can give to you when you become a member and you earn commission. While in Owo Daily Plus, this is where it gives you the opportunity to promote product and services. Yes, it allows you to promote product and services on the platform and earn commission for every sale you make. Yes. Why in the seller, this is where it gives you the opportunity to sell your own personal product. Yeah, this is where it allows you to sell your own personal product, unlike other platforms like Fiverr that does not allow you to also market your own product. But in the Owo Daily, you have your option to market your own product, sell it, and then pay commissions to individuals who help you or market your product. So what does it take in order for you to be a member? For you to be a member, you need just a one-time membership payment, which is of that of 3,000 naira. You pay 3,000 naira and become a member. And while in the Owo Daily Plus, you also have to pay 10,000 naira and join the Owo Daily Plus, and you get more opportunity to market products, get commission and all of that. Why if you want to be a seller, you want to set up a seller account, all you just need to do is to pay 15,000 naira and you get started. Yeah, that's what Owo Daily offers you and many other stuff. So you also have to, in the membership plan, you also have the opportunity to get started, start marketing the product, join the village and marketplace, and earn a lot of commissions on all of that. All you just need to do right now is just to go to the members. You just click on become a member, and once you click on this become a member, it gives you an option for you to fill in your details, put in all your name, your full name and all of that. You put in your full name, you put in your email address, your phone number, you select your country, and you also put your state, your bank account, where you'll be paid whenever you do any task you want to do. You put your date of birth, your sex, and your username, and you create a password, and then you click on submit. Once you click on submit, it gives you the opportunity to be able to join the platform, subscribing to any of the plans in which you want. It's either you pay the 3,000 naira and become a member, or you pay the 10,000 naira. But our advice, if you have the 10,000 naira, subscribe to the 10,000 naira option, and you make enough money for yourself and just get started. So all you need to do right now is to go to this description box. I drop the link on the description box, whereby you will be able to have access to register on Owo Daily. Follow the link, it allows for you to be registered and all of that. So follow the link and then you will become a member. I will take you to the dashboard, how it looks like, to my own dashboard, and show you what Owo Daily is all about. I'll log in. I have an account already, so I have to log in right now. Okay, this is the platform. This is how it is. This is how it is. So all I have to do right now is to look for simple tasks in which you can do and all of that. Like as you can see here, it says comment on Instagram post. Yeah, this one says comment on this Instagram post. All I have to do is to click on apply. Once I apply for this particular job, they say comment on Instagram post and earn 10 naira. I always tell people, if you want to earn here, always do this tax. It's a simple tax. Just go to the Instagram, comment, and then I screenshot and send to the individual, and I earn. This is when you gather small. This 10 naira, you might look at it as nothing, but when you start gathering it gradually, it becomes a huge amount of money. But if you want to pick it one time, you end up not earning anything at all. So all you just need to do right here is to go to the Instagram post, click on it, on the payment, click on the comment section and comment. Follow the link here. After you must have done the link, then you now send the proof to this individual by dropping your Instagram username or handle in this particular area. And then after you must have done that, you still have the option to go down, and then in this aspect you now have to put in your proof. That is a screenshot of your comment or what you have done on that Instagram post, and then wait for it, and you'll be credited for doing that particular job. Just imagine you give yourself 1 hour or 2 hours doing this simple task and all of that. You'll see that you will make enough money from it. I have a lot of pending transaction here and all of that. I woke up this morning and started doing some transaction and all of that. So follow the link in my description box and join, and you'll see that you'll get paid from this Owo Daily and all of that. Now if you go to the Owo Daily Plus dashboard, to show you some certain things. This Owo Daily dashboard, it gives you the opportunity to affiliate or market other people's products. As you can see here, all you just need to do is to market this particular people's product and earn commission of 1,000, 2,000 or all of that. All you just need to do is to do that, and you get paid from it. Why you can also make money when you invite a friend and you get paid from it. Now you can also post your job. If you have a job to post, you are a digital marketer and you have a job to offer to individual, you can also come to this Owo Daily Plus. If you are on the Owo Daily Plus aspect, post a job, allow people to earn commission from the job, and you achieve what you want and all of that. If you look at this aspect, they say that you can earn bonuses when you invite a friend. Now if a friend of yours join this platform with 10,000 naira, you will earn 3,000 naira from that particular individual. So imagine inviting your friend and you earn commission from it. That makes you to earn enough money for yourself and become better. So imagine you do a task, this simple task by commenting, liking on Instagram posts and all of that, and you also earn a commission. That means you can earn 5,000 naira every day when you do all of this stuff. So all you just need to do is to follow the link in the description box and then join the Owo Daily membership plan and all of that, and you see that you earn commission from all of this. So that is that, guys. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any question or anything you want anything that is confusing you concerning this video, just come to the description box. I will give a comment to all of that. So all you need to do right now is to click on the subscribe button and the notification button as well. We'll be able to notify you whenever I drop money making videos like this. So do well to subscribe and like and also share to individuals who might like to see this kind of update or information.